Where are you from, Striker?
Canada.
All right.
How old are you?
3.
All right. What superhero are you going to be on your shirt?
I'm Superman.
All right, man. Let's do this.
This is Donkey Kong. This is the Rail. This is Background. This is Avenger. This is the Avenger. This is British. This is the Winter. Blue Banana. This is my
Slow down.
Success. This is how I want to get comfort. This is Galver. This is Arnott. This is Serena. This is Country. This is Football. This is Valentine's. This is Amsterdam. This is Greasy Train. This is Dancing. This is Santa. This is Predator. This is Magdalene. This is Flower. And
Body rock.
And Don't Touch It.
Cool. I like the body rock. Keep the body rock going.
First monster trucks.
Okay.
Retoid, Monster Hunter, Mason War, Mr. Batman, Cyborg, Grinder, Assassin, Trap Dog, The Thunder, Screaming Demon, Matador, Angel Circus, Shark Rat, Rapid Hat, Loco, and then the horns are gone. Bone Seeker, Medusa, Mohawk Warrior, Grave Digger, Tats. Bunch of these are Arachnophobia and Lightning Monster Truck.
Awesome
Woohoo!
job.
Great job.
That was perfect.
Come give Dad a pound. Need a pound.
You want to put one down the ramp?
Need a pound.
Sure. How about Chapstick?
Cool.
I want to talk to Samson. Crushless cars.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Again!
You did a great job.
Again!
For sure. Whoa.
Fast!
Again.
No, not again. One more time.
Okay. I'm not hearing any truck noises. It sounds like his engine's turned off.
There we go.
There we go. Now he landed it. It's because you turned on the engine. How about one more time with full engine all the way?
Awesome.
Oh, wipe out.
Let's try again.
All right.
I can't show you. Look. Sunset goes very fast. And the crescent goes. And the crescent oil goes. And it makes them bigger in the crash.
Didn't have his engine turned on.
Brent's gonna fall. Brent's gonna fall.
Oh. It needs to be on.